Hello, I am Melissa. I am actually coming to you from Costa Rica while I'm on vacation because I wanted to make sure to share an amazing thing that is happening this month in September. This is actually free sign-up month with SeneGence. So what does this mean? If you are interested in starting a side hustle, a small business, this is the perfect time to try it out, to sign up. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Normally there is a $65 fee to sign up. That is waived in September. So it is totally free. If you're ready now, look below this video, click the link and get signed up. Most people you're gonna wanna sign up as a individual. Unless for some reason you already have an LLC as an example. Another reason you might want to take advantage of this is if you love SeneGence cosmetics and skincare, this is a great way to take advantage of an awesome discount. You earn up to a 50% discount on your products as a distributor. So what does this mean? During your first 90 days as a distributor, you get 50% off 300 PV orders. What does 300 PV mean? That means 300 product value, which basically means $600 retail. So if you place a 600 retail order, you will only pay $300. If you place a 350 PV order, then you will get free shipping, which if you calculate it out, it's pretty much worth it because you're basically just getting more product instead of paying for shipping and handling. Also, when you place your first order of any size, so I'm talking you could just order a gloss, you could order a lipstick, whatever, you will get a free lips kit. Your free lips kit comes with 3 different lip sense colors, a glossy gloss, a remover, and a business portfolio kit to help you get started. So that is worth over $130. It is a great way to get some new free lip colors or get some testers so you can share the product with folks and show them how it works. So either way, definitely take advantage of signing up for free this month, placing an order, getting your free lips kit, and then if you are interested in starting a small business, get in touch with me. I mean, if you sign up, I'll get in touch with you and we can do a launch party for you. We can do that on Facebook, virtually. It doesn't have to be in person. And then essentially just help you get enough orders so that you can get a whole bunch of product for free to start your business. So if you have any questions, lots of information below on how to contact me. This is just such a great opportunity, such a great month to take advantage of this deal. And if you are interested also, I have some other special promos that I'm a part of and doing. I'm part of a promo where we're giving away a Peloton bike. So if this is something you're interested in, get in touch with me. We can connect on Facebook and then I can get you into the group where you can, potentially win that free Peloton. Also, I'm going to be part of a smaller promo within my own smaller team where we're going to be doing something also as far as some kind of giveaway for someone that signs up and places one of those 300 PV orders during September. So there's just a whole bunch of fun, exciting promos going on where you can just take advantage. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a fabulous day. I'm having a great time here in Costa Rica. It just is so pretty. It looks, like the jungle here. It's so lovely. I did get a whole bunch of bug bites last night though. So it was kind of a bummer, but it's been amazing and I've just been absolutely loving it here. It's been so much fun. I hope you have a great day.